So, boys, what actually happens? I want to tell you one harsh reality of this world. We think we are in need of something and we come across somebody who is ahead to us. So, we start thinking that if I'll go to this man and ask for help, he will help me or I'll get some kind of help from this man. So we go to him and ask for his help. But I want to tell you a reality of this world, this jungle like world, the kind of world we are living in. And I want all of you to know this before getting harmed and hurt by this animal whom we call human. So listen to me carefully what I am about to tell you. What actually happens, we think this man is ahead to us, and if I'll go to him and ask for his help, I'll get some kind of help from this man. But instead, what happens? This man begins giving us false hopes. Yes, instead of directly helping us, what this man do what this man does, he begins giving us false hopes and then he begins using us, misusing us, exploiting us on the name of giving help to us in future. I mean, he will keep on giving us false hopes and he will keep on making false promises to us and keep on exploiting us for our helplessness and for our need. And see, I want all of you, young boys, if you are listening to me, to know this. Never think in your life that there are people who will genuinely help you. See, exceptions are everywhere, and I'm telling you, you may come across somebody who may help you genuinely. But I am telling you, you need to be prepared mentally because, in most of the cases, this is what happens in such scenarios. Instead of giving you direct help, these people keep on giving you false hopes, keep on making fake promises, and keep on using you, exploiting you, misusing you for their favors, for their benefits. I mean, instead of giving some benefit to you, they start using you for their own benefits and keep you hinged by giving you false promises. And this is what happens in more than 90% of the cases. And it is true in case of women also. Whenever you go after a woman after getting impressed by her looks, this woman does not tell you direct no. She does not make things clear to you. What she immediately starts doing, she begins giving you false hopes, starts making fake promises to you, and then she begins using you, exploiting you for her own benefits and for her own favors. And after exploiting you to the fullest, after using you to the fullest, these people who are ahead to us and these women whom you begin chasing after getting impressed merely by their looks, after exploiting you to the fullest, they just dump you, leave you, and move on in their life without providing any benefit and any help to you in return. They just do not care about you, they do not care about your needs, they do not care about the troubles you are going through in your life. In fact, they prey on your situation. They prey on your helplessness and they make use of your helplessness, they make use of your needs in their favor. Instead of giving some benefits to you, they make you give some benefits to themselves, and then they dump you after using you to the fullest and after exploiting you for your need. And this is what happens in more than 90% of the cases. Boys, I am telling you, I want all of you to know this harsh truth about this world, about this animal whom we call human. We humans are mean. We humans are opportunistic, mainly women. So never go after any man after getting impressed by his position and by the charisma he is carrying with himself, and never go after any women just merely after getting impressed by her looks. Stay within your boundaries and limits, and try to do whatever best you can do within your limits, and try your best to tackle your issues and troubles and problems that are there in your life by yourself in whichever way possible for you, and never give anyone, any man, any woman, any opportunity to exploit you, to misuse you, to bring losses to you, to harm you on the name of giving you help. Because this is what happens in more than 90% of the cases. Instead of helping you, instead of giving you some benefits, these people keeps on making false promises and keeps on giving fake hopes and keep you hinged and keeps on using you for your need and keeps on exploiting you. And after exploiting you to the fullest, after using you for your need, they simply dump you and move on in their life without caring about you, without caring about your losses, and without caring about whatever situation you are in your life. They just do not care about you. This is how mean and opportunistic this animal whom we call human is. So boys, beware. All the young boys listening to me, beware. Never get impressed by anybody's position and charisma and looks. Never let anyone exploit you, misuse you, bring losses to you. And if you have some troubles going on in your life, try to resolve them by yourself through your own effort, and always stay alert and cautious, and always stay beware of this animal whom we call human.